Tangerine Cafe.
Yeah.
What did we get this time?
We got
This is a
the
repeat.
Moroccan baked stone bread
Yes, looks
with
good.
the 3 sauces. I'm not even gonna attempt. There's hummus and these 2.
What about the jouk?
The jouk and the something.
The jouk and the something. And then
We got
this.
2 kebabs. We got both the chicken and the lamb.
That's the chicken.
And it has like a chickpea salad with it.
Okay.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah. I'm gonna try the lamb first.
Lamb first.
I really like the flavor of that a lot. The like garlic aioli. It has a little spice to it.
Well, sure it's not just the spices in the lamb. It looks like it has quite a few spices in it.
I like the chickpea salad too. It's got some like raisins and currants in it.
Now to the chicken, it looks like.
The chicken's really good too. It doesn't have quite the spice that the lamb does, but it's well cooked. And it's got a good like fresh made like grill flavor.
Well, the nice thing about here is they do have a grill right in there.
Fresh.
It's fresh made right in there. This is the old Tangerine Caffeine. Tangerine Caffeine?
Yeah. A little
Cafes.
Moroccan bread. The green sauce. I don't know if that's the jouk or not.
The green sauce.
Whatever the green one is, that's like a pesto.
Okay. So you got tomato
But still very
and a
earthy.
pesto.
I like them. I like them both. The bread is very good.
Okay.
I'm gonna go an 8 on the lamb.
Yes.
I'm gonna go 7 on the chicken.
Okay.
And an 8 on the bread.
An 8 on the bread.
Yeah, I really like the bread.
Oh, it's a returning favorite.
Yeah.
Let's try the lamb first. It's good.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Got a lot of spice, got a lot of flavor to it.
It's not like spicy.
No.
It just has good like flavor from the spices.
Chicken now, see if it's dry or not.
I didn't find it to be really dry.
No?
I found it to be good, just maybe a little less flavorful than the lamb.
Right. I got a little less spice.
Yeah, the bread is great.
The bread is great.
Yeah, it's nice and like light and fluffy.
The dips are kind of weird.
I enjoy the dips. I mean, it is similar to the like Indian bread service as
Oh.
well. It's not naan, but
No, the bread is killer.
the bread's great.
I'll do the hummus.
I mean, I could do the hummus
So
too. I
certainly-
don't dislike the hummus.
It's pretty plain. Actually, I like the tomato
Oh,
one the best.
I don't even know if there's tomatoes in it, but it feels like there is.
Yeah. I think that's the best one with the most spice.
All right.
I choose that one. But the bread, great. The lamb, great. Chicken,
Fun.
good enough.
Good.
Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah.
What are you here for?
Joey Fatone.
Who?
NSYNC.
Well,
Well, it's Joey Fatone and Friends.
1/5 of NSYNC.
Yeah. It says in Friends.
Who could the friends be?
I don't know.
You think he's bringing JT out on stage?
Not Jay-Z.
Oh.
Welcome to the Eat to the Beat
Well,
concert series.
maybe we'll stay for a song or two.
Blue Medicare. Music fans, it's time. Put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Joey Fatone and friends.
Hearing all these people talk about what's here with this pop life and when is it gonna fade out? Things you've got to realize that the tune is not a trend. You got to do some melody, gonna bring it to the end. Doesn't matter about the power ride or the ice around my neck. All the matter is that you recognize it's just about respect. Doesn't matter about the clothes I wear and where I go and why. As long as you get happy and do it to me every time. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Chris Kirkpatrick! Let's move. Now, why you wanna try to classify the type of things we do? Check it out, yeah, dude. It's got me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Kiss her, love her. What is that? I don't know, we have all that. Bye, bye, bye. Come on, yeah, you gotta go. What? Come on. Bye, bye. Joey. I'm doing this tonight. You're probably gonna start a fight. I know this can't be right. Baby, come on.
Well, we got stuck at a NSYNC concert.
We did.
We were just cruising along and an NSYNC concert broke out.
Yeah.
Chris
Joey Fatone
and Chris
Fred.
Kirkpatrick. Ryan Cabrera was there. How dare you?
Yeah.
But in the meantime, what did we have while we were there?
We went to Funnel Cakes.
Funnel
The
Cakes.
country of Funnel Cakes.
The country of funnel cakes.
Yeah. And this year it is the mini pina colada funnel cake. And I will say it tastes exactly like a pina colada. I actually really liked the funnel cake this year. Not necessarily the flavor, because coconut is not my thing, as you know. But the funnel cake was not like too overdone like
No,
it was
good.
last year. It was nice and soft.
Yeah.
And I'm fine with the smaller portion that's like more easy to accomplish.
Are you fine with the bigger price?
I mean, $9.50 for that size and then $10 for a regular, but yeah, I mean, it does come with ice cream.
Well, it does come with ice cream.
And,
it was good. It was good.
It was good, yeah.
It's a good funnel cake. Not the best one we've ever had, but
Not the best, not my favorite flavor profile, but I liked it.
yeah, it's good. So there's your review on the country of funnel cakes. We're gonna check out Harmonious here. We got a good spot.
We did.
And yeah, and then we're gonna go home. We'll cap this day off. We'll wrap it up. And then big day tomorrow.
Big day, big day.
Big day tomorrow. We'll
Lots-
talk about it on the road.
Lots of surprising things.
Things?
News.
Use your words.
No, I don't know.
All right, let's check out Harmonious, and then we'll be right back with you to wrap this day up.
Sounds good.
All around us, the world is alive with music. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember. Never really knew you were.
Checking out for the evening, what'd you think of the day?
Oh, we had a great day today at Epcot.
Lots of Epcot.
We got some food booths accomplished. We rode Guardians, which was amazing. Like, really good ride.
Yep. I
Super
agree.
smooth.
Very smooth. Didn't feel sick at all.
Yeah, I did not feel
Contrary
sick.
to popular belief.
Yeah. Although I did see the trash cans right there as you exited. And there was a lady even holding a bag, like a cast member, to give to anybody that
Oh, I
might
didn't
need
see
it.
that.
Yeah, she was holding a barf bag. But anyway, I didn't see anybody use it. So yeah, great ride. We did get GD Plus. We used it for Remy. I don't
We
know
used it
if
for Soren.
and Soren, yeah.
So essentially we got 2 rides out of the day.
Yeah, which, I mean, some people might consider, Disney would consider that's a good thing. But
Yeah.
I don't know if we got our full maximum use
We
out
could
of
have
it.
done better, but we were really just shooting for Remy.
Yeah,
So-
and we took some breaks today, so that was nice.
And we would have paid the individual lightning lane just to do 1 ride on Remy
Yeah, probably.
today. So whatever, we got Soren with us. With it, I should say.
Yeah.
Then went back this evening.
Oh yeah, we saw
More booths.
E to the B.
Yeah, Joey Fatone tonight with a few friends.
I mean, yes, friends. One friend from the group.
Yeah, Chris Kirkpatrick from the group. And then a good spot for Harmonious to finish off the evening.
Yeah.
Glad we saw it again. Don't know whether we'll be lining up for it.
I enjoyed that show. It's kind of long. It's 20 minutes. But, I mean, I like it better than Enchantment.
That's
my
your
fault.
2 cents?
That's my 2 cents. That's it.
All right, tomorrow, early morning, Kona Cafe.
Oh yeah,
That's the exciting thing that's happening tomorrow.
it is.
So we'll see you at Kona, and then we do have to jump in the car, and we'll talk about where we're going next.
Yep.
Yeah, please like, please subscribe, do all those things. If you want to keep seeing more videos like this, we have some exciting stuff coming up. And with that being said, we'll see you
In the parks.
Bye, bye, bye. Come on, go, go. What? Come on. Bye, bye.